Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the Redmi Note 10. So this is one of the new smartphones announced by Xiaomi, the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, the Redmi Note 10 Pro, and we have the Redmi Note 10. This is priced 11,999, that's 12,000 rupees, and you get a really great hardware. You get a 48 megapixel quad camera, the Sony IMX582 sensor, then you get a super AMOLED display, and you also get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 octa-core processor. On top of that, you get a 5000 mAh capacity battery, Android 11, and a 33 watt fast charger. So that's the features offered by the Redmi Note 10. So we're going to talk about this device. We'll share our first impressions, how good the device is, few camera samples, and what all features it offers. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. So we are not going into the regular unboxing because the box pack, whatever comes in the box, that we'll mention, but we are not going to the unboxing. So we'll talk about our first impressions, we'll show you some camera samples and our experience using this device. So let's begin. But before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So now we're going to talk about the Redmi Note 10. So similar to the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, this also comes with a Super AMOLED display. Now the last time Xiaomi gave a Super AMOLED display below the 15,000 price segment, we all know it was the Mi A3, and it was priced 12,999, and at that time it had an HD plus resolution display. Now with all the GST increase and all the costing increases last year, even now Xiaomi is offering a full HD Super AMOLED display at just 11,999. That's incredible pricing by Xiaomi in this segment. So this is something which is really good. The display is something which has been drastically improved. It's a Super AMOLED display. Now it does not get the 120 refresh rate because it's not the price segment. You can expect a 120 Hz refresh rate, but still this is one of the really good displays out there. Great viewing angles, excellent sharpness levels, and great colors as well. Now if you go to settings, here you can see that the display options, the light mode, dark mode, and color scheme can also be set here. You can see that auto colors, saturated colors, and standard colors options are there. Now we can also see that if you look at the software aspects, this device comes with the latest version of MIUI. Now about phone, Redmi Note 10 MIUI Global 12.0.1, and Android 11 is available out of the box, and the security patch is from Jan 2021. So that's the hardware aspect. Now this device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 octa-core processor. Now 678 is an upgrade, or rather the upgraded version of the 675, or the successor of the 675. Now 675, we could see that on the Redmi Note 7 Pro, the Snapdragon 675 octa-core processor. Back then it was really powerful chipset. Now we have the 678 octa-core processor on the Redmi Note 10. Again, this provides a good experience overall. Now the experience with this device has been pretty good in terms of first testing. We'll have to test more to see how the overall performance has to be. Now we'll also be doing the gaming test and other comparisons with other devices in this price segment, so stay tuned for that. Now this device comes with a 48 megapixel quad camera setup. We have the Sony IMX582 sensor. Again, one of the tried and tested camera sensors out there. You get an ultra wide 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Now that's the camera aspect. Now if you look at the camera UI, you can see that all the basic functionalities are there. Now if you go to the video recording, you can see that you get a 4K at 30 fps, 1080p 30, 1080p at 60 fps. Then you get portrait mode. Other options include 48 megapixel camera mode, AI watermark, short video, night mode. You don't get the vlog mode and the clone mode here. That is limited to the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and the Pro. Now here are some camera samples we have taken with the Redmi Note 10. We'll be doing a detailed camera review later, so stay tuned for that. So initial impressions definitely feels good with the camera. We'll have to analyze more to see how good the performance is in different light conditions. So stay tuned for our detailed camera review coming up soon. Now in terms of design aspect, you can see that this is much better in terms of the Redmi Note 9 launched last year. Now the material quality has been much better here. You can see that it is not a glass finishing here, it's a plastic or polycarbonate material, but it actually feels like glass and gives a premium finishing altogether, especially the white variant feels really nice. You get the integrated power button with the fingerprint scanner, then you have the volume keys, the SIM tray with the dedicated SD card slot, then you get the 3.5mm audio jack here, then you also get the USB Type-C port, the speaker unit. The top portion also has the speaker and the IR blaster. So it's a well built device. You can see that how compact this device is, and it's lightweight when compared to the previous device, the Redmi Note 9. And it's also slimmer in form factor. So design aspect has been drastically improved along with the display. So couple of really good aspects. One is the Super AMOLED display, really good at 11,999 price segment. Then you get the Snapdragon 678 octa-core processor, a pretty good chipset for this price segment, and you get a 5000 mAh capacity battery and 33 watt fast charger bundled with the box package, because previously you got only 22.5 watt charger, but this time around we have the 33 watt charger bundled with the box package. So the box includes a case, the default charger, that's a 33 watt charger, USB cable, and documentation along with the SIM ejector pin. So we haven't done the unboxing because it's the standard box package. Now overall our first impressions has been really good with this device. Probably one of the really good devices out there in terms of pricing. 11,999 pricing, you get the Super AMOLED display this first time from Xiaomi in this price segment. So this device will be available starting soon on mi.com and other platforms as well. So we'll be doing other videos like the gaming test, the camera review, and the detailed reviews. So stay tuned for that. So this was our first impressions of the Redmi Note 10, another really great winner device in terms of the budget segment. At 12K, this is definitely great value by Xiaomi in the Redmi Note series. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.